Welcome to Custom Order Numbers for WooCommerce. This plugin lets you replace random WooCommerce order IDs with clean, sequential numbers. You can also add prefixes, suffixes, and smart rules, making order numbers truly meaningful and easy to manage. By default, WooCommerce order numbers aren't sequential, which can make tracking a little messy. Let's fix that by enabling the plugin and setting up your preferred numbering style, so your orders follow a logical sequence. Select Sequential to create consecutive order numbers, set your starting number, and decide if the counter should reset daily, monthly, or yearly. Save your changes, and you're ready to go. Now, place a test order. The order number will match the sequence we defined. Go ahead and place 2 more test orders. Back in the orders list, you'll see that all numbers follow your custom sequence. Want your order numbers to reflect the year or store identity? Adding prefixes and suffixes is a simple way to make your orders instantly recognizable. Head over to the Conditional Prefix Suffix Rules tab and enable the option. In the order number template, use the default number and add a date suffix. Next, under Conditions, select the date condition type and enter -y in the suffix field, ensuring every order number ends with the current year. Save changes, then place a test order. The new number now includes the year automatically. Want unique order numbers for certain products or customers? Just create a conditional rule. Add a new rule, set the condition to product, and pick Premium Smartwatch. Enter prefix SW- and suffix -PR. Save it. Place a test order and see how smartwatch orders now appear as SW-1005-PR. Worried about changing your existing orders? No worries, you can decide exactly which orders get updated with your new numbering style. Just scroll down to the Apply Settings section, then pick whether to apply it only to new orders or to all orders. When you're ready, click Save Changes to apply it. After that, place a test order, and you can see your updated order list reflecting the new numbering style applied to the new test order only. And that's it. You now have full control of WooCommerce order numbers with sequences, prefixes, suffixes, and conditional rules. Apply settings to just new orders. For advanced options and help, visit our documentation or contact support anytime. Thanks for choosing custom order numbers for WooCommerce.